Hey Apple fans, ever get tired of your iPad and iPhone sharing everything, from photos to texts, like they're glued together? Today, I'm going to show you how to your iPad from your iPhone in just 2 minutes. Whether you just want to stop some things from syncing or you want a full-on disconnect, I've got you covered. Let's start with option 1. Stop syncing specific data. If you want to keep your Apple ID the same, but want to stop your photos from showing up on both devices, open Settings on your iPad. Tap your name at the top, then iCloud, then Photos. Here, just toggle off Sync this iPad. No more shared photos. Want to stop calls and messages? For FaceTime calls, on your iPad, go to Settings, then FaceTime, and turn off calls from iPhone. For texts, grab your iPhone, head to Settings, then Messages, then Text Message Forwarding, and turn off your iPad. And if iMessage is still syncing, on your iPad, go to Settings, iCloud, Messages, and turn off Use on this iPad. Annoyed by open Safari tabs and copy-paste showing up everywhere? That's handoff. On your iPad, open Settings, go to General, then AirPlay and Handoff. Toggle Handoff off. Alright, ready for option 2? This is for those who want to disconnect. On your iPad, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Scroll all the way down and hit Sign Out. You'll need your Apple ID password to turn off Find My. Decide if you want to keep or remove local data, then tap Sign Out again. If you want to remove your iPad from your account, do this on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap your name, scroll down to your device list, select your iPad, and tap Remove from Account. And boom! Your iPad is free. No more unwanted sync.